Silent, Sports Crowd, we have another thing you can put right about the morning. I want to be able to perform. Look at what's going to happen. And then see what happens. And go finally. What's going to happen? I can't say that for the penalty. And go to the penalty job. Only job. What am I going to put a lot of? And the premier are going to put up. I bet I'm going to put up. It's open my nation. Yeah, nyabonga mshikazi ngabeka kule game lemngani wami ucabangani la game mngani wami ngizokwazi ukuthi ke nami ngiqhubeka ngisho ukuthi ianalyze ngoba igame ke ngikhani ke iqala ngithi kuwena ucabangani ukuthi bangalidinga o freestyle or bangathele baliyenze kahle badlale ke lento ehlala ku pressel ekuthiwa ukuthi basic tapping pass. Ayibona ke noza uzokhola usoloko noza ezizobuphana thina nakanyeni sonoza akutasi solo thaleni yes